स्वागतं छात्राः। अष्टमकक्षायाः संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति पाठस्य अध्ययनं वयं कुर्वन्तः स्मः। अद्य संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति पाठस्य द्वितीया कक्षा वर्तते। पूर्वतनकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः प्रथमः अनुच्छेदः पठितः। तत्पूर्वं पाठस्य पीठिका सम्प्राप्ता अस्ति। तदनन्तरं पाठः पठित्वा प्रथम अनुच्छेदस्य सारः अस्माभिः ज्ञातः एव वर्तते। प्रथम अनुच्छेदस्य सारः आसीत् यत् अस्माकं राज्ये वा देशे वा प्रान्ते वा बहवः कूपाः सन्ति। एते कूपाः अथवा तडागाः एव संसारसागराः इति कथ्यन्ते। एतेषां संसारसागराणां निर्मातारः के आसन्, निर्मापयितारः च के आसन् इति काचित् जिज्ञासा अस्माकं मनसि उद्भूता। तदनन्तरं मया भवद्भ्यः सर्वेभ्यः अस्माकं इतिहासस्य प्रसिद्धाः कूपाः यथा मन्दिरकूपाः वा भवतु गृहकूपाः वा भवतु एतेषां परिचयः अपि अत्र दत्तः आसीत्। मन्दिरेषु विद्यमानेषु कूपेषु जनाः स्नानं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति। पूजार्थं च तन् जलम् उपयुज्यते। गृहकूपे गृहस्य उपयोगार्थं जलं स्वीकर्तुं गृहकूपाः निर्मिताः आसन्। एवं प्रत्येकस्य ग्रामस्य समीपेपि एकः कूपः भवति स्म अथवा तडागः वा निर्मीयते स्म। अद्य ततः प्रभृति वयं पश्यामः नूतनः प्रविधिः विकसितः। तेन प्रविधिनापि पूर्वं सम्पादितम् एतत् कार्यं मापयितुं न केनापि प्रयतितम्। अद्य ये अज्ञातनामानः वर्तन्ते पुरा ते बहुप्रथिताः आसन्। अशेषे हि देशे तडागाः निर्मीयन्ते स्म। निर्मातारोऽपि अशेषे देशे निवसन्ति स्म। गजधरः इति सुन्दरः शब्दः तडागनिर्मातॄणां सादरं स्मरणार्थं राजस्थानस्य केषुचित् भागेषु शब्दोऽयम् अद्यापि प्रचलति। कः गजधरः? यः गजपरिमाणं धारयति सः गजधरः। गजपरिमाणम् एव मापनकार्ये उपयुज्यते। समाजे त्रिहस्त परिमाणात्मिकीं लौहयष्टिं हस्ते गृहीत्वा चलन्तः गजधराः इदानीं शिल्पिरूपेण नैव समादृताः सन्ति। गजधरः यः समाजस्य गाम्भीर्यं मापयेत् इत्यस्मिन् रूपे परिचितः। नूतन प्रविधिः विकसितः। न्यू साइंटिफिक मेथड is improved. What is that? That is the borewells, digging of the borewells with the lorries that they come. तेन प्रविधिना अपि पूर्वं सम्पादितम् एतत् कार्यम्. So whether you dig a borewell or you construct a well, the purpose is same. The purpose is getting the water. So today we feel that digging the borewell is the most scientific method of getting the water. But before this there was a scientific method to get the water, that was building these wells or the lakes. But etat karyam mapayitum na kenapi prayatitam. We never imagined that it was a scientific method. We feel that building of these wells was just a blind method. How it can become blind? When the source was found correctly and still you can find the water in the wells. Bijapur, which is known for wells, the wells which were constructed during the Adil Shahis, where most of the wells are still having the water. Can we call those people unscientific? Not at all, my dear friends. That's why we must learn to give the same respect what we give to the modern engineers today. Adya ye agnata namanaha vartante. The unknown names of today. Purate bahuprathitaha asan. Pura, once upon a time. Te, those names, bahu, very much. Prathitaha, famous. The names which are unknown to us, they were the most famous names in the society once upon a time. Asheshehi deshe tadagaha nirmiyante sma. Not only in a village, asheshehi deshe. In the complete country, they used to build the wells. Nirmata ropi asheshehi deshe nivasanti sma. These constructors were not centralized to the cities. They were living in the all parts of the country. Gajadharaha iti sundaraha shabdaha tadaga nirmatrunam sadaram smaranartham. So, there is a beautiful word which is given to those who were constructing the wells. The name was Gajadharaha. Just like nowadays in a posh way we say, no, architect. Who is he? You don't call engineer, you say, tell him architect. It's a pride. It's a pride to say architect. Like that, the people gave the name Gajadharaha to those people who were constructing the wells. Rajasthanasya keshuchit bhageshu shabdoyam adyapi prachalati. You know, some parts of the Rajasthan, even today, people call them Gajadharaha. Kaha Gajadharaha? Who is this Gajadharaha? Yaha Gajaparimanam dharayati saha Gajadharaha. One who holds this measurement. Gaja. Gaja means not elephant. Gaja means measurement. Feet. You can measurement of the 1 feet. Gaja parimanam. Parimanam is measurement. Dharayati. One who holds this 1 feet, he is called Gajadharaha. That means one who knows the measurements, he is called Gajadharaha. Gajaparimanam eva mapana karye upayujyate. This Gajaparimanam, this measurement of Gaja is used in the measurement of the wells. When we used to swim, we have learnt, many of you are lucky or unlucky, fortunate or unfortunate, that you are learning swimming in the swimming pools. But we in our childhood learnt swimming in the wells only. In the well, when we used to stand, after 5 feet or the 6 feet, there was a step. That used to call that as a Gaja. So they used to say, Shat Gajatmaka Kupaha, Sapta Gajatmakaha Kupaha. How deep the well is there, they used to call by Gaja. Gaja word is used in Kannada. Nalaku Gaja, Ar Gaja, Hat Gaja. But it is used even in Hindi also. Gaj, 10 Gaj, 8 Gaj. It is a measurement. It is used in Hindi also. So most of the languages we use still this Gaj as a measurement. Gajaparimanam eva mapana karye upayujyate. This is still used in the measurements. Samaje tri hasta parimanatmikim lauhayashtim. Haste gruhitva chalantaha gajadharaha idanim shilpi rupena naiva samadhrutaha santi. In the society, you can see that some people, in the picture it is given, the man is holding a stick. It is not the stick, it is the iron rod which is of the 3 Gaja. 3 Gaja measurement, and he is holding and coming, means he is coming to do the right place to find out the wells. Many of you are from the farmer background. Many of you might have seen that how the water point is searched in your fields. In our village, there are many varieties of finding the water point. First one is, a man will come with a coconut in his hand. The coconut in the hand, and he will be walking. The coconut will be in a sleeping position. Wherever that coconut stands, he tells there water is there. Another method is there, finding the two iron rods in the hand. I will show you in the next slide that these iron rods will be swinging in his hand, but wherever there is a water point, it stands stiff. So he tells there is that. And one more is there, he will take a stick, half bent, but wherever the water is there, it becomes straight. It sounds funny. Nowadays, archaeological people will come, soil test will be there, and finally they will decide here there is a water source. But there are several methods to find out the water point. Evam haste gruhitva chalantaha gajadaraha idanim shilpi rupena naiva samadrutaha santi. These people used to walk with the iron rod in their hand, and they used to find out the water point, but they are not respected in the modern society. Gajadaraha yaha samajasya gambhiryam mapayet ityasmin rupe parichitaha. These people were not only knowing the water point, and they used to tell in how much deep you have to dig the well to get the water. He used to say you will get in 85 feet or 90 feet. Nowadays we are digging 1000 feet of bore wells to get the water. The underground water system has gone very badly. And next I will show you what are all the methods they used to do and how difficult it is to get the water. To explain you better, I am showing first two ladies with the pots on their head. See, in the Rajasthan, where getting water is the most difficult thing, they walk kilometers together to get 2 pots of water. In the next picture you can see the man finding the water point with the 2 iron rods. That means when the both rods will come straight, there you can find that is the water point. Like this, those people who used to dig the wells used to find out Gajadaraha. Gaja is a measurement. Through this measurement, you can find the water points. What they used to find out, how they used to find out, after finding out what they used to do, everything we will see in the next class. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam, Sarve Swastaha Bhavantu, Sukhinaha Bhavantu, Swagruhe Eva Vasantu. Dhanyavadaha.